This is Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the network. We highly insist that you use the Wi-Fi for this one. Next, launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can just go ahead and launch the app. While opening Opera for the first time, we gotta undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, click on this blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser. I'll skip this step. And finally, there is this page that allows you to customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.